The AI-powered test creator is a great option for when you need a little help getting started with user testing. Today, we'll walk through the AI-powered test creator and show you how to kickstart your projects effortlessly. Starting from the dashboard, click Create New Project. From here, click the second option. You will now be prompted to input the URL for the website that you want to test. So I'll copy and paste the URL in here and click Create a Project Automatically. After your website has been analyzed, you can see here that the tasks and questions have been automatically generated. Click here to view the introduction that is shown to your participants and edit the message. You can also use the AI Assist button here to help you polish up your writing if needed. Select any task or question to adjust and tailor the AI-generated content to your liking. To learn more about tasks and questions, we have a separate video about all the different task and question types that are available. Once you've reviewed your tasks and questions, click Done, and you can move on to your project settings.